Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Guys, I'm very hungry, but I'm combining this video with eating my food because I wanted to eat this meal before I do this video, but I found out that if I eat this meal before I do this video, I might end up not doing this video. You get? And I want to do this video, so let's dive into the video. In today's video, you have seen, if you're following my channel very well, you have seen that of recent I started doing Igbo alphabets, letters, phrases that starts with letter A, letter B, letter C, and today we're going to go with letter D. Letter D is a little bit longer. No, it's not much long, but we're going to dive into it, and if peradventure sentences that comes along, we'll go into it as well. Okay, so we begin. In today's phrase word, remember I said something, phrases cannot be overemphasized when you're learning language. Why? Because when you know phrases, that is when you know words in the language you're learning, it will make you to learn to make sentences. And you're in the midst of people that are talking, it will also help you to understand because you can hear what they're saying, because the words they're saying are familiar to you. That is why continuously I bring in phrases here that we use most times in Igbo that will help you to make sentences and also to blend in when discussions are being made in Igbo language. We have quiet. You know when you tell somebody quiet, dajo, 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 that is quiet. Dajo. Someone is talking too much, you can tell the person dajo, quiet, so we can hear. It's noisy. Okay, and we have another one here is fall into, danye, fall into, danye, like something fell into, you know, fell into somewhere, anything it can be. Danye, 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 danye. See guys, when you follow my lips, this is very easy. You know the way you imitate TikTok video, follow that way to imitate my lips. Danye. We have another one here, fallout, dapo, fallout, dapo, fallout, dapo, fallout, dapo. Okay, fallout, dapo. We have another one here is fell down, dara, ada, fell down, dara, ada. Someone fell down, your baby fell down, dara, ada, or dara, ada. Emeka, dara, ada means Emeka fell down. Okay, and we have another one here is iron clothes, de aqua, de aqua. That's to iron clothes, de aqua, de aqua. We have another one here which is right, de is to write, de. We have another one here which is good job, good job, deme, good job, deme, good job, deme. We have another one which is wet, derede, derede, something that is wet, derede, or derede, or derede. Aqua Emeka derede, Emeka's clothes is wet, derede. We have another one here, taste, detuono, detuono, detuono. Okay, this is egg, aqua, detuono, detuono is to taste. And we have another one here is d, is like deka, is D. Is D. Is like deka. Okay? Now that one here is husband. D. Husband. D. You can see the previous one I said, and this one has the same spelling but different punctuation. D. D is coming down. Okay, it has different punctuation but it's the same spelling. Okay, we have another one. Hero. Dike. Hero. Dike. Hero. Dike. Hero. Dike. We have another one here. Allah. Dinner. Allah. Allah. Lie down. Dinner. Allah. Lie down. Dinner. Allah. Lie down. Dinner. Allah. Lie down. Dinner. Allah. Lie down. We have another one. Dinta. Dinta. That's hunter. Hunter. Dinta. Hunter. Dinta. Hunter. Dinta. We also have dito oko. Like it's hot, you know, it's like it's hot, not very hot, it's a little bit hot. Dito oko. Nria dito oko means this food is a little bit hot. Dito oko. Dito oko, a little bit hot. Okay, we have dobie. Dobie is cut. Cut. Dobie. Cut. Dobie. We also have tie. Doka. Tie. Doka. Tie. Doka. We also have pull. Door. Pull. Door. Pull. Door. We also have pull out. Pull out. Dopotaram. Pull out. Dopotaram. Pull out. Dopotaram. Okay. We also have dupo pierce. Like for example, when you want to pierce your ear, dupontege. Dupontege. So dupo is pierce. Dupo is pierce. Dupo is pierce. To pierce your ear, dupo is pierce. Dupo is pierce. Dobe. Dobe is keep. Keep. Dobe. Keep. Dobe. Keep. Dobe. Keep. Dobe. Doketa. That's doctor in English, but Igbo say doketa. Doketa. That's doctor. Doketa. Doctor. So guys, this is the Igbo phrases that starts in letter D that we often use almost every day of our life. Okay, if you know these phrases or these words that I have used here, you can be able to communicate and also be amongst those that are communicating and understanding what they are saying. You can imagine when you know all these phrases that I have mentioned now, if they are making sentences, you will hear when somebody says dobe efera ahu. You already know what is efere, which is plate. You already know what is dobe, which is keep. So your sixth sense tells you that they're telling the person to keep plate. Keep plate. That is why I say phrases are very important, because the more words you learn, the more you're able to understand a sentence. Understood? So thank you for watching. Please share this video as well, and I'll see you in my next video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.